Hello again, John Dragonman here, broadcasting to everybody on YouTube who has the interest of putting electric windows in their Vauxhall Corsa B. These are ones for the 5-door. Now, don't know about you lot, but I'm sick of having to wind my windows down using those bloody manual windows. The only one good thing about them is you don't need the ignition on to use them. But it's nice to have electric, isn't it? So, here we go. We have some electric windows here for a 5-door. Now, I think the rules are the same for the 3 doors. I'm not sure though, can't be positive, but I'm pretty sure that there would be. Where shall I start? Right, I picked these up from the scrapyard. They were £30 a pair. The wiring was all in with it as well. I had to take them out the car myself. And pretty much basically I've got them bench tested here now. They are all powered up. You can see the lights on there, and if I push the switch they move, and if I also push the switch, which will be mounted on the driver's door, they move again. So the top one's for the driver's door, the bottom one's for the passenger. Right, you need, if you're going to wire these in, you'll need 5 wires for the motors, 2 pretty hefty ones, because it's going to power the motor itself, and the other ones can be pretty lightweight, say speaker wire or something. You have got, obviously, you've got to send a permanent live to the switch, and the switch basically distributes the power to where it wants to go into the motor, and tells the motor to go either up or down, or clockwise or anti-clockwise, or whatever you want to call it, to make the window go up and down. Wiring it in can be a pain. As you can see, I've just bench tested these and just twisted the wires around together. Not the safest way, but now my power supply is fused. Well, it's thermal trip, so it could be alright. You need them quite long, don't forget, especially if you're going to connect this. Well, you've got to do it, especially if you're going to connect this up to the passenger side, which you've got to do, otherwise you won't control it. So you've got to link that, which is going to sit in your driver's door, near where the speaker is, to basically that, not exactly to that, but to the actual motor. Basically what I did here was I just ripped the whole door loom out, as well as the connectors, the door connectors, because I'll just use those. I've got the Corsa LS, which is, I don't really know what LS stands for. All I can think of is it's low spec, as it pretty much didn't come with anything apart from a cigarette lighter and an MFD. And that's about it really. Oh, and a glove box. I did get a glove box. Yes, I did get a glove box, not a shelf, a glove box. With a light, so it can't be that bad. But no electric windows. No central locking. So I've all fitted that already. But yes, there we go. Hopefully I'll put this in my car sometime in the week. I can't be asked to do it tomorrow. But I'll take a few pictures of it, and I'll upload my how-to allcorsa.co.uk. The link will be in the comments section, the description section, or whatever you call it. And that's about it really. So yes, it will be fun trying to wire this in. Not honestly sure what the other wires do, because I tell you now, my other door pin does not have that many wires. My other door has not got that many wires coming out of it. All I can think of is it's all for switches and various other different parts of the door. Some are speaker and some, I don't know. Well, could be to the tweeter, I suppose. I don't really know. All I know is I've wired in all the electric windows, which is good. Well, all I've got to do then basically is just extend the cables in between these 2 plugs between the car. Should be easy enough to do, I hope. Unfortunately, unfortunately my Corsa doesn't have it already wired in. Some Corsas, there was actually made in the factory with all the wiring from one side of the car to the other already in place. You could literally just go out, rip all this bit out of another Corsa and put it in your doors on your Corsa, and then just plug this plug in, which, if I pause the video, I'll show you. Bear with me a second. Oh, there we go. Literally, the plug there that you see here would just plug straight into your into the door that's the socket that's on the it's on your car, and all the wiring is normally, all the pins and everything is in there. But anyhow, it wasn't on mine. So I'll have to put all the wires in manually. It's not an issue, I can do that. I've got plenty of wire. Trouble is, it'll be the same colour. Oh dear. Never plan on selling my car on, so no one else will have the pain. Run them to the ground, eh? Run them to the ground. Buy them cheap and run them to the ground. I don't know. Well, that's about it. So, yep, this is John Dragonman, and I'm calling it a day. I'm knackered. Running around the scrapyard. It's very tiring. Peace out, YouTube. I'll catch you again some other time.